Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm not quite finished retying my hair. I decided to put plaits in the parts of my hair that I have already retied. I'm doing something a bit different today. I am going to do a braid out after my retie, but during the retie, I will be braiding my hair. Not only will I be braiding my hair, but I am going to also use a product. I found a product on my shelf that I've used some time ago, and pretty much I didn't really use it as a loose natural. So you know that this product is almost, if not more, than 2 years old. I was looking for an expiration date and I didn't see one, and I just thought to myself, okay, try it anyway. It's not like something you're getting ready to eat. So I'm going to see if it still works. And the name of it is Cre'gel. It's by Urbanbella, handcrafted series, formula number 49. It says, giving your curls soft hold and beautiful shine in a gel. And it's a really light gel. I'm going to let you see what it looks like coming out. Notice that is the gel. And that is as much as I am going to put on this section of my hair to braid it. I'm going to mist it again because I have a few hours before I need to have my hair done. I will be Zooming today with some fellow YouTubers. And a former high school student will also join us today. So I'm going to braid all of my hair except for the section in the back that I have not completed retying. I'll come back after I am ready to take these braids out. Now I'm taking out my braid out so I can Zoom with some fellow YouTubers and friends. Thank you for watching. This is what I ended up with, and I love it. Right now I can say I'm pleased with this product. Even though I don't usually use products on my hair, I'm pleased. It doesn't make it feel hard. It feels moisturized. Feels pretty much like the mousse that I usually use. It just feels good. I like this, and I don't feel like it's going to cause any buildup. I won't be using any products that often. So this is the second thing that I've used on my hair since I've had Sisterlocks. I've used the Dine Essential Foaming Styling Mousse and this handcrafted gel by Urbanbella. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God, because He affords me the opportunity to reach out and touch so many people. And He keeps blessing me over and over again. And I thank God for you. Have a great day.